we are at the mall tonight in Jefferson Valley, and tonight is Pro Street night. So we're having all the cars run together. We got about 7 or 8 of them, which came out really nice. They were really loud. We're waiting for the cops to come. It was a great starting of all the engines at the same time. I sound like I'm drunk. I'm just happy to hear them all run. Really fun. We meet here every Tuesday night at the Jefferson Valley Mall in Yorktown. Come on down. You guys want to see some really cool cars.